Hey guys, welcome back to my 1086 series. This is just going to be a quick short video. This is the part 2 to the clutch rebuild or booster rebuild. Unfortunately, I didn't get the actual cylinder rebuild process videotaped any more than I had previously. I just had some things get in the way. I kind of screwed up a little bit. I was out snowmobiling and I screwed up my left hamstring pretty bad. I don't know if it was tore or if it's just a bad strain, but I'm not going to spend the $500-600 that it's going to take for a doctor to tell me which one it is. So I'm kind of laid up a little bit right now, but I did want to get this bolted back in place just so I could feel like I got something done for once. So I am going to do that quick, but I did not get the actual that full rebuild process on video, but it was pretty simple. Just kind of put it back together the way it came apart, and now I'm just mounting it back up. We did decide not to do the pivot kit after talking to some good old boys. They said that it has more to do with the smoothness of the clutch, of letting the clutch out, than it does to do with the wear on that booster. Basically what happens is as you let the clutch out, the cab would rock back because the cab mounts are probably shot, and then that would affect the way the clutch is released. I didn't notice that so much when we were driving it, and if it was there, it's basically not worth the 400 and some bucks that it would take to get that kit for the amount of hours that we're going to put on it. So we're going to pass up on that unless we can find one at a salvage yard or something like that. But anyways, yeah, that's kind of where I wanted to leave you guys. Like I said, I'm hurting pretty bad, so it'll probably be a little while before I get any of these up again. I have been going to work, but it's been difficult. So we'll see if that keeps happening or not. But we'll see if I can't get some toy videos or something done inside the house if I feel good enough to get up off the chair. But thanks for watching, guys. Please leave a like, share, subscribe, and check back for more.